just arrived at Venice. We actually parked at the last Santa Monica parking lot right next to Venice Beach, and there was nobody attending the parking station, so looks to me like parking was free, which is great news. Okay, so this little parking place right here at Venice Beach, there was actually an attendant, so they are charging for parking here at Venice. So I'm not sure if the guy just took a break or if it's really supposed to be free parking right now. We'll see. And apparently we've got a homeless camp. It starts here. Now this is fantastic. If you can see, they actually have a portable shower here that's set up for these homeless folks, and I think that is a great thing. I like this. I could live there. Glad to see them cleaning the restroom area, hosing it down. A lot of these places are closed, but it might still be early. So I don't know if they're closed for COVID or out of business, or if it's just too early in the day. My guess is it's just too early in the day.
Muscle Beach is closed, huh?
Bummer.
Bummer. Hot girl bummer.
Well, all the filming that we've had to do is now over, so now we can relax a little bit. And we've got this little Save the Duck program going on. We have a little sick duck on the beach, and these damn seagulls are trying to get it. Sorry, baby. We love you. Poor thing. Sun's coming up. It's actually getting pretty warm here. And we're getting hungry. There weren't quite as many food options right around Santa Monica Beach. I mean, I guess there were on the pier, but when the pier's closed, there wasn't as many options. So we're gonna find something to eat here in Venice. Looks like most of those little strip places have now opened. This is what we're getting when you're hungry. This is the best looking thing. It's gonna really hit the spot. 2 more forks, please. Thank you so much.
You want her to see it?
No.
Thank you so much.
Fish taco, $2.29.
Nice.
Looks amazing. We're sitting here in the grass, enjoying our cheap lunch. Looks amazing. Oh, there he goes. Oh, yummy.
What?
Yummy.
Okay.
So, the fish taco was absolutely amazing. And there were two pieces of battered fish in the fish taco. So for $2.29, that was an amazing deal. It had pico de gallo, cabbage, sauce, and then there were hot sauce there at the counter that you could put on it. So my kids got the chicken taco. I'm eating the leftovers. The chicken is like sweet, almost like an Asian or a teriyaki type chicken. So it's a little odd on a chicken taco. I still think it's good, but my daughter wasn't a big fan. So just wanted to let you know.
I thought it tasted great.
But I recommend that taco shop. Cheap tacos, and all the local shop owners from all around, we're going there to get a bite to eat, so we know it's good.